Yesterday, the developer of Sapphire Bot announced that Sapphire will support AI moderation on the new update. The new AI moderation is still in beta, so there will be few false positives. To set up the new AI moderation, go to Sapphire Dashboard, Auto Moderation, then click the Setup button on the AI moderation. Choose the categories of inappropriate languages and click Continue. Choose the Report to Moderators option and select a channel for Sapphire to send the logs. Then it will ask you to select channels, and if you don't select any channel, then Sapphire will be active on all channels in the server. In Sapphire AI moderation you can choose variety of actions, and it does have an option to react to the flagged message with emoji. Let's test how the Sapphire AI performs. Sapphire reacted to the flagged message with the emoji and sent us a log on the logs channel.
Waking up to the sound of your voice in my head, it's hard not to forget all the good times we had that have now gone to waste, left alone and misplaced.